Beginner's Guide to Python Programming Top 5 Websites. The following are the top 5 websites to help you to learn Python faster. 1. Google. If you don't know, Google also has an excellent set of Python tutorials for beginners, known as Google's Python class. 2. Codecademy. If you like interactive learning, then there's no better place than Codecademy. They first teach you theory in as few words as possible and then ask you to write code online using that concept. 3. Educative. This website to learn Python coding for free in 2023. If you don't know, Educative is a text-based interactive platform that allows you to learn and code from your browser. 4. Coursera. If you want to learn from the world's leading universities without paying a single cent, then Coursera is the best website to go. It offers online courses taught at reputed universities like Stanford, INSEAD, National University of Singapore, and many more. 5. Microsoft. If Google has a Python class, then how come Microsoft can be left behind? Well, it also has a free Python course, another popular online portal for free education. Happy learning! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.